Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, if you are having trouble receiving, sending, or using your Outlook or Hotmail account or email from Microsoft, it seems like there is some issue. Now, it is a little better than it was, but it still is a problem. It seems like the issue is still there for some of you. So if you're trying to send an email, or checking your emails, some get error messages like 500 error. Some are just getting weird delays that don't seem to go nowhere. It all depends on what you are doing. I did try mine here, and it did work fine. But a little earlier today, when I actually used it to check mail, it seemed to take a very long time before it actually gave me some of the emails that I had received. So Microsoft does work on this. It's actually working on the problem. They are saying that even though it's gradually getting better, still not back to normal. So anybody out there having Outlook issues, this is not the first time, by the way. In the last 2-3 weeks, there's been quite a few outages with Outlook and a lot of the services that Microsoft has online. One of them having to do simply with a change in some of their routing, and they had to actually roll back the change. So they seem to have some issues happening with their cloud services and all sorts of little details like this. So don't worry, not your PC. If there is an error message, if you're using a aggregator that actually goes and checks for emails and gets an error message, don't tweak, don't play with anything, just wait. Might actually get back later today, February 7th, 2023. So don't worry about it. It will fix itself as Microsoft is working on the problems. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.